Here's a scenario for you. You're home and you go to your home's thermostat and you realize that the thermometer on it has been set to the same number for several days now. It's cold one day and it's hot the next, and you realize that the temperature is still the same for some reason. What's the problem? Today I am going to share with you some tips and tricks involving thermostats and why they have caught our attention at PEX Universe. Let's get started. Picking the right thermostat can make a noticeable difference in the comfort of your home and your wallet by putting the control at your fingertips. It's important to discuss all of the precautions that need to be taken when checking or installing your thermostat. Not all thermostats are compatible with all HVAC and heating systems. Some thermostats, for instance, will only work with furnaces and air conditioners in particular. Others may only be designed to monitor heat pumps and heating and cooling systems. Let's talk about upgrades. It is possible to save some money by installing your unit yourself. However, to get started, you will need a basic understanding of electrical knowledge, and you will also need to make sure that you have the correct compatibility between the unit you are selecting and your home's heating and cooling system. Before taking the time to actually replace your unit, let's go over a few steps to help diagnose a faulty thermostat. To do so, locate your home's thermostat and then tape an accurate thermometer on the wall next to it. Wait 15 minutes and check the temperature reading on both devices. A variance of positive to -3 degrees Fahrenheit is generally acceptable. Anything outside of that means your previously accurate thermostat may require service or replacement. Your thermostat may be malfunctioning generally, and it's because of its inability to hold the correct temperature. Dirt or debris within the thermostat can also potentially cause problems. If your thermostat isn't working properly, it's worth checking behind the removable cover and giving it a clean and seeing if that helps. Occasionally, a low battery will also lead to malfunctions when you want to adjust your thermostat's temperature. If you are sure that your unit needs a full replacement, let's dive into what those wires underneath actually mean. One of the most common wires that you'll come across is the white wire. The white wire underneath your thermostat connects to your heating system. It terminates at your air handler. The yellow wires underneath, or wire wires, connect to your air compressor. The green wires connect to your furnace. The orange wire, which isn't as common, generally links to your heat pump. Orange wires also only apply to homeowners with an air source heat pump. Homeowners with a geothermal heat pump don't require an orange wire. Red or RC wires are completely responsible for the 24-volt power connected to your transformer. Dual transformer systems also make up for cooling and heating systems. These RC wires only, however, connect to your cooling system. The RH wire, or also known as H wire, is also a red wire and also connects to a 24-volt power source. So the RH wire only connects to your heating system as opposed to the cooling system like the RC wires. Lastly, we have the blue, known as the C wire, C standing for common wire. It is only used for smart thermostats. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave a comment in the section below. And if you like what you saw, like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, everybody.